Oh good, another armpit necklace. Looks like some earring options. Oh, way too many pants options. And I don't have those boots anymore, so that leaves one shoe per foot, which is ideal. Not sure what I'm going to do with all those bottoms. Basically, it's just a big, blah, beige wasteland with a couple pops of color. Should be interesting. Here is my interpretation of the look. I kind of feel like a garden gnome. I just strew the pants about because I don't know how to wear four bottoms at the same time, so they're just still part of the vibe somehow. And just carrying the sweater since it was sort of off to the side too. Got my armpit necklace. Um, got my Hamlet leggings in case anybody around me needs to catch up on the classics. And I have this red earring that kind of ties into the sparkle on the necklace, and then this random pearl earring, and this blah bracelet that sort of goes with the blah. Still kind of undecided about the shoes. So yeah, I'm gonna try to turn this from garden gnome into garden gnome chic. I don't know. Well, this was the best I could do. I'm not super happy with how it turned out, but this was a really hard one. I think the hardest part for me was the different shades of gray and beige together. Some people can pull that off. I just really hate those colors together. Um, Even where I ended up, I have well, they're more of a taupe booty with the gray socks. That's pretty clashing. And kind of beige shorts and then kind of gray hat. I don't love it. I tried so many things for this outfit. I did try a pink sock layered in between just to break it up, and that looked really weird. I really liked the plaid with the floral. I just couldn't get it to work. Um, so anyway, this is what I ended up with. Kept one of the original shorts, kept one of the original shoes, changed out the Hamlet leggings, which I don't know why I own, with these polka dot thigh highs. I think that just goes better with the shorts and is less weird. I changed out the floral cardigan for this sort of floral little top. I just thought it went with this a little better and didn't have quite so much floral. And then I changed the sparkly earring and the pearl one for these pink and orange floral earrings that sort of go with the sleeves better, and kept the hat. So this is it. It's a little more wearable, but it's not my favorite. Where would I wear this? I would maybe wear this to my own backyard to water my plants. So let me know in the comments if you would wear this, where you would wear this, are you high right now, and who do you think is the winner of this outfit, Jaime or regular me? I'm gonna say regular me even though I don't love it, just because it is easier than walking around with a necklace under my arm. Thanks for watching. I support literacy.